Kanagiri Educational Management Program, now present Social Studies Chapter 18, Emerging Political Trends 1977-2000 Part 2. Here we will be studying emergence of regional parties, regional aspirations, in particular to Andhra Pradesh. Emergence of regional aspiration. I think we have to be very clear. I think it has took three movements for greater autonomy of states, in particular to AP, Assam and Punjab. Let us examine the similarities and dissimilarities as well. So let us study first this complete video related to AP, Andhra Pradesh. What has happened? In Andhra Pradesh, mainly because of frequent change of CMs by the central government. So we will be going into detail. In one term, so 4 chief ministers have been changed. I will give the details also. Textbook it has not been given. We have covered the complete thing. And then strong signals went that the High Command of Congress is not giving the needed importance for the leadership of Andhra Pradesh. It is obvious, because of the 4 chief ministers have been changed and everyone realized, I think much importance has not been given to the leadership in Andhra Pradesh. And then in fact the people of Andhra Pradesh were not happy with the Congress as it was changing the chief minister very frequently and people felt insulted, humiliated. I think not only the leaders and then the general people, voters also, they felt insulted with the constant change of chief ministers in Andhra Pradesh. It has been realized by Mr. N.T. Ramarao, properly known as NTR, a film actor, and he has taken up the issue very seriously. Then he realized, I think, something should be done for this alternative to the Congress. And then we need to study what consequences went wrong. It is interesting to note that from 6th March 1978 to 1983 January 9th, we can witness 4 chief ministers. The point we are making here is there is a constant change of chief minister by the High Command of Congress and it shows Congress leaders as less unity in Andhra Pradesh among the members during this period. Everyone would like to become a leader, so that was the main criteria, and then everyone felt that they may be the best options. So there was not unity among the leaders. And then here, I think for the benefit of the 10th class students, I have compiled over here. And then Marri Chennareddy from Medchal, 6th March 1973 to 11th October 1980. He was there 2 years, 7 months and 5 days. So for the benefit of the students, we have compiled this information. Next is Tanguturi Anjaya. So he is from Hyderabad. 11th October 1982, 24th February 1982. He was there for 1 year, 4 months and 13 days. And then subsequently to Anjaya, Bhavanam Venkatram Reddy was there, 3rd. He is from Guntur. He was there from 24th February 1980 to 20th September 1982, 6 months, 4 days. And then later Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy from Kurnool, 20th September 1982, 9th January 1983, nearly 4 months. So this shows that in 5 years' time, so the High Command has changed 4 chief ministers. It was something insulting the people of Andhra Pradesh. So emergence of regional aspiration. The issue of self-respect of Telugu-speaking people in a big way, forming a TDP party on his 60th birthday in 1982. He was popularly saying that Telugu Atma Gauravam, That is known as self-respect of Telugu speaking people. So what he has promised to the people, he has promised the major populist welfare programs. One being the 2 rupee rice scheme, second being the complete prohibition of liquor, third being midday meal scheme. These populist welfare measures helped TDP to sweep the election of 1982. Here I have given for the reference of the students. It is not there in the textbook. In the election, the TDP won by an absolute majority, winning 202 out of the 294 seats in the state assembly. With NTR himself winning both the seats he contested. So I think they got absolute majority and then they were in power. The self-respect, whatever he was saying, that played a prominent role. And then other important Telugu Daily, Ramoji also helped him a lot during his complete election campaign. He was surreptitiously, means he was, we need to understand this word, without any knowledge, and then secretly he was dismissed by the governor. The name of the governor is not given in textbook. He is Mr. Ramlal in 1984 when he was in US for the major surgery. The governor appointed Nadendra Bhaskar Rao, who had defected from TDP to the Congress. On his return, he has challenged the action of the governor and he has proved the support of MLAs. So he came back from US and then he was strongly challenged the central government and then finally he was through with that. After a month of complaining, the central government appointed a new governor, Mr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. So the new governor being Mr. Shankar, who reappointed as CM of Andhra Pradesh. So during the struggle, following parties supported him like CPIM, DMK, SAD and National Congress. For the benefit of the students, I am compiling the information about the N.T. Ramarao, popularly known as Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao, NTR. He was an Indian actor, producer, director, film editor and politician who served as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh for 7 years over 3 terms. Born on 20th May 1923, Nimmakuru village, died 18th March 1996, Hyderabad. I am not giving the details of their children. The list is a bit long. The spouse being Lakshmi Parvati, everyone knows. He has married in 1993 to 1996. Basva Tarakam Nandamuri, 1940 to 1985. You know the famous Basva Tarakam Cancer Institute. So that was the initiation of NTR. So she suffered with the cancer, and then on her name he has taken up the thing very seriously, and then he was doing very good job. Basva Tarakam Cancer Institute. With this, I think we are through AP, and the next video we will be discussing on Assam and Punjab as well. Okay, good luck children, thank you.